There have been people mentioning that this is part two of the Hangout Toolbox test, seeing if lower thirds save from one to the next. I created a new lower third, did a recording. It's on the screen and everything, saved it. We are now going to open the Hangout Toolbox and see if it actually populates or if it does not carry over from one Hangout to the next. So we open the Hangout Toolbox. And we click on the little added thing. And we turn on lower thirds. And as you can see, the lower third that was in the other video does not come up. This is a brand new lower third that it just does. This is the standard lower third. The other one was a different color, and there is nothing in my pre-saved sets. So it looks like indeed, since going to the YouTube side, lower thirds are not saved from one Hangout on air to the next. You have to create them each time. And that is a shame, particularly if you are using custom overlays. Now, one thing I don't understand is when I use the Business Hangout on Air app, I have that account set up so that it preloads a saved lower third, a custom lower third. And so apparently it's not using the actual Hangout Toolbox to access that thing. I don't know how it does it. But anyway, this, in addition to the previous one, proves that there is no way that the lower thirds are being saved from one to the other. Thank you.